This is a legal filing between the state of Illinois, Illinois Commerce Commission against ComEd. ComEd doesn't want more people to benefit from having solar panels. Right now, if you put in solar panels, ComEd accepts the production of your system through the net metering program. In this program, when you produce 1 kilowatt, ComEd values it at 1 kilowatt. ComEd only will do this for 5% of the people of Illinois until January 1st, 2025. After January 1st, 2025, 1 kilowatt that your system produces will value 0.33 kilowatts to ComEd. So ComEd will only value a third of a kilowatt. This means when you buy electricity from ComEd, they charge you 17 cents for 1 kilowatt. When you produce 1 kilowatt with your system, ComEd values 1 kilowatt at 5 cents. It's similar to the money exchange market. When you buy Mexican pesos for dollars for 1,000 pesos, you need to pay $50. Then if you were to sell those 1,000 pesos, they will give you $40. This happened in California in April 2023, and it's happening in Illinois now. If you want to get the full value of your solar production, you need to put solar panels now.